So I'm showing you, this is the E.L.F. Glossy Lip Stain in Spicy Sienna. So I'm gonna put it on and show you what it looks like. And kind of the whole thing with the stain is it starts as a gloss and then you have a stain left over once that gloss fades. You can reapply it if you want more color to it. But this is the kind of Spicy Sienna color you can see on there. And you're gonna apply it from the middle. And one big thing is, my lips are kind of dry right now, is you actually do not want your lips to be dry. Because that a lot of times will end up with a patchy look. So you want to avoid having dry lips. You want them to be nice and moisturized and exfoliated. And then that's gonna really help with the stain part of it. So you can see this is a really nice red that has kind of a brick kind of sienna feel to it. So when it goes on as a gloss, it's really, really nice. You can see a really good gloss to it. And again, you can layer this on to get more color and more stain out of it. So after that initial gloss kind of fades out, you can add more layer to get more color out of it. So this is something you can either take with you, throw it in your purse if you want to continue to have that glossy look, or use it as a stain, let that gloss fade out, and then have like a nice color that's going to last you the rest of the day. So overall, I really like this. I will wipe it off too in just a minute, and I'll show you kind of what it looks like after it's stained. I'd give it at least a little while if you're going to wipe it to get rid of that gloss, but I say leave it on as long as the gloss stays glossy, and then it's just going to naturally fade out into a really nice stain, which is great if you are going out for the evening and you don't want to keep reapplying, but you want to have some color. So this is a really, really nice kind of red color that is bold but not too overpowering. And so I really, really like this, especially as a brunette or even blonde. I feel like this is a really good go-to red lip.